If you're planning to attend the 2023 Utility Expo, be sure to add to your agenda visiting ViewTech Borescopes as they exhibit. From September 26th through the 28th, you'll be able to trial a ViewTech video borescope during the Utility Expo's exhibit hall hours at the Kentucky Exposition Center in Louisville, Kentucky. ViewTech has thousands of clients that rely on their video borescopes for maintenance, inspections, and quality control procedures. See for yourself at the Utility Expo why ViewTech's affordable, high-quality video borescopes are preferred by engineers and technicians throughout the utility industry's remote visual inspection of machinery, equipment, and components. With ViewTech's no-cost, no-obligation demo offer, you can demo a ViewTech video borescope at your facility before your next inspection requirement. Contact the ViewTech Video Borescope experts at 1-231-943-1171 or visit our website, viewtech.com.